Today, let's talk about the phases of AI for enterprise: AI readiness, AI adoption, and AI integration. The infrastructure phase is where most organizations are today. It's setting up the right analytical environment, it's building the right teams, it's getting the right governance and frameworks in place, and really it's about identifying the right use cases that will help you drive the top line, the bottom line, and your customer experience. AI readiness is followed by AI adoption. AI adoption is where organizations have their infrastructure in place. They've aligned on use cases that drive the top line, the bottom line, and the customer experience. And they're actually integrating AI into the workflows that they're performing on a day-to-day basis. This phase will be marked by agents working inside the enterprise, performing tasks, helping simplify search, making decision-making easier. And this is all built on a very strong analytic environment. Following AI adoption is AI integration. This is really where we start to see industry picking up speed. This is where AI is not just working on a task basis, it's actually contributing to the entire value stream of the organization. It is working autonomously to drive top line, bottom line, and customer experience results that actually move the needle for the organization. All of this is going to occur over the course of the next couple of years. Most organizations are struggling to figure out, how do I even think about use cases, let alone the infrastructure to support getting to AI integration in the next couple of years. If you're finding it difficult to navigate these complex waters, reach out to us today. We can help.